Alright, today I'm making a Bolognese style ragu, although there's no such a thing, but it seems that's what some people may call it, and with linguini. So I'm making linguini over here. Almost ready. And I got some garlic in the pot, warming up the garlic. Diced onion, minced cut onion, and carrot. And I have some tomato paste. That's the beef. That's the parsley. And then I got bacon bits. And then I got pecorino romano. No, reggiano. This is what I got. Okay, so you look over, I put the beef and the bacon in there, and then I cook them medium low for a little bit with the garlic. And then I will add the onion and the carrots, and then tomato paste, some wine, some water from the pasta. Okay, I added the beef and the bacon. Cooking medium heat, so we can cook a little bit. I like cloves. I think it doesn't like all for cloves, but I think it has a nice touch to it. Don't go crazy. And some freshly ground black pepper. Minced. Okay, it's done. Put a little bit in the meat. Time to be cooked, and the meat too. bring it to a boil, and then drop the fire to low. A little paprika. This one of the chefs uses paprika. So sweet paprika, just a little bit to give it a little robust flavor. Sweet paprika, just a little bit. When they explode in your palate. Throw them in the pan. You have to mix it in your plate. Two scoops. Turn on the fire. Okay. A little cheese. Lo plato. Lo plato. Okay. Stop.